In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find cheap flights on Skyscanner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your search, apply a budget, and lock in a great itinerary without missing key details. Start by opening the Skyscanner website. You'll land on the main flights page, which is where all the searching happens. At the top, choose your trip type. If you're planning to go and come back, keep it on return. If you only need a single journey, switch to one way. And if you're visiting multiple cities on the same trip, choose multi-city so you can add each leg in order. Next, fill in your departure box labeled From. Type your city or the specific airport you want to leave from. If your area has multiple airports, consider using a nearby one as well. Wider options can surface better prices. Then, in the To box, enter your destination. You can search by city or airport, and Skyscanner will auto-complete as you type to help you pick the right place. Now choose your travel dates. Click the Depart field to open the calendar and select the date that works for you. If you're flexible, look around the calendar for cheaper days highlighted with lower prices. Then set your return date in the same way, lining it up with how long you want to stay. Before searching, set who's traveling and your cabin class. Click the Travelers and Cabin Class selector, adjust the number of adults, children, or infants, and choose Economy, Premium Economy, Business, or First. Confirm your choices so they're applied to the search. Go ahead and hit Search. Skyscanner will pull in available options from airlines and online travel agents. On the results page, open the filters and look for flight budget. Use the slider to set the maximum you're comfortable paying. This quickly removes options that don't fit your price range and focuses the list on deals that match your target. From the filtered results, pick the option that looks best and click into it to see more details. You might be prompted to confirm your departure location if multiple nearby airports are available. Choose the one you prefer. When you've reviewed the timings, stops, and total price, click Select to proceed. Skyscanner may show you several providers offering that same itinerary. Compare the final price and any baggage notes, then click Select again to continue to the Booking Partners page. That's it. With trip type set, routes and dates chosen, travelers configured, budget applied, and your itinerary selected, you're ready to book a cheap flight confidently on Skyscanner.